Hi dear student, this is Naveed Khan, your mathematics teacher. So in our previous class we had discussed about system of linear equation by matrix method. Okay, today we will discuss an application of inverse by Leontief Matrix. So let's have a look for exercise 6.7, page number 289. So question number 5 is given the input output matrix which is already been given. So here we need to find the output matrix if the final demand changes to 200 for education and 300 for the government. And part B is find the output matrix. We need to find out the output matrix if the final demand changes to 64 for education and 64 for government. So first of all we need to find out the first part A. So dear student, let's start our answer. So this one is if we see, let's select our pen. So now this equation is given. So the first equation, when we will add the first row r1, so this is r1 and this one is r2. Okay, if we will plus these three elements, so the answer will become 200. Okay, now addition of all the elements of the second row, so the answer will become 300. And if we will plus the vertical column 1, so here the answer will become 200. And here 120 plus 90 plus 90, so the answer is 300. Okay, now we will select here only 2 by 2 matrix. So we will select the first four elements 400, 40, 120, 120 and 90. Now these four elements, the first column will be divided by 200 and the second column it will be divided by 300. So look at here, 40 by 200 and now 120 by 200, 120 by 300 and 90 by 300. So now this 0 and 0 cancel, so 40 by 20, the answer will become 1 by 3. Similarly the second one is 2 by 5, the third one is 3 by 5 and the fourth element will become 3 by 10. Now my dear student, here we need to find out the output matrix. So the output matrix X is equal to I minus A whole inverse into D. Okay, so this I means that identity matrix. Now, and we know that for example A inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, but here we have I minus A whole inverse, so adjoint of I minus A divided by determinant of I minus A into D. Okay, let's put the values here. First of all we need to find out I minus A. So here is identity matrix 2 by 2 minus, and here is matrix A. Okay, so now one just minus corresponding elements, 1 minus 1 by 5, so the answer will become 4 by 5. The second element, it will become 0 minus 2 by 5, it will become minus 2 by 5. And the third element is 0 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so it will become minus 3 by 5. And the fourth element, it will become 1 minus 3 by 10. So here the answer will become 7 by 10. So here dear student, we need to find out, this is I minus A, and now we need to find out determinant of A. So determinant of A means that, one second, I just select my pen. Okay, determinant of A means that by cross multiplication, so 4 by 5 multiply by 7 by 10, but between cross multiplication there will be a minus sign. minus 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 5. Okay, so after this calculation, so determinant of I minus a is equal to 8 by 25. Okay, this is determinant of I minus a. Now here we need to find out adjoint of I minus a. Okay, so it will become, now dear student, this is the diagonal. Okay, so we will change the area place of the diagonal element. So this is 4 by 5, it will be replaced by 7 by 10. Okay, and now this is 7 by 10, it will be replaced by 4 by 5. And now the off diagonal elements, which is minus 2 by 5 and minus 3 by 5, we will change its sign only. Okay, so this is minus, it will become plus 2 by 5, and the second element, it will become 3 by 5. So this is diagonal of, this is adjacent of adjoint of I minus a. Okay, so what is the procedure? And we have done this one in our previous class. Just replace the diagonal elements. 4 by 5 will be replaced by 7 by 10, and 7 by 10 will be replaced by 4 by 5. And the off diagonal elements, we will just change the sign of the off diagonals elements. Okay, now here we did this is the in our previous slide we did how to find out adjoint of I minus a. Okay, now we will put all these values. This is our equation number 1. We have to put all the values adjoint of I minus a, and this one is the matrix T, and determinant of I minus a. We will put all the values in equation number 1. So let's have a look. This matrix is adjoint of a, and then divided by, this is determinant of I minus a, and here is matrix D. Okay, so now the first element is 7 by 10. It will be multiplied with the first element of the second matrix. 7 by 10 multiplied by 20, then we have to put plus sign, and then the second element, it will be multiplied with the second element of the matrix D. So 2 by 5 into 300. Okay, similarly the second element of the first column, 3 by 5, it will be multiplied with 200, plus 4 by 5, it will be multiplied with 300. Okay, so after this calculation, so this is matrix 260, and the second element is 360, and divided by determinant of I minus a. Okay, so now my dear student, the first element is 260, and the first element will be divided by 8 by 25, but when division will change to multiplication, so it will become 25 by 8. Okay, and similarly the second element is 360. When we will divide 360 by 8 by 25, so this division will be changed with the multiplication, and we will take its reciprocal, 25 by 8. So look at here, we multiply 25 by 8 and 25 by 8 with the second. Here we have equal sign. So after this calculation, 260 multiplied by 25 by 8, so we have x is equal to, this is the output matrix. The first element is 812.5, and the second matrix is 1125. Okay, my dear student, so thank you very much, my dear student, and take care of yourself.